Hi, welcome to the Day Trader Tools platform. What if you could trade stocks or Forex and win about 7 to 8 trades out of 10 trades you open with one of the best day traders tools available today? Well, that's exactly what you could achieve if you trade with our Super Trend Finder, or STF for short. This software uses the volatility bands to measure the volatility of the markets and alerts a user when a market presents a reversal or continuation trading opportunities. Here's how this tool could help you. You can use it to trade stocks, Forex, indices, gold, or crypto. It makes your decision-making process easier. It makes risk management easier. It helps you recognize reversal and continuation trades with ease. When the market is in retracement, you're able to recognize that with ease. Oh, one last point. The Super Trend Finder is compatible with MT4, MT5, and Pro Real-Time platforms. Installation is easy in 3 simple steps. Here's an example of a reversal trade set up on MT4. See a continuation trade example on MT4. If you've been trading for a while with the right strategy, you might find that the continuation trades are actually much easier to identify. Okay, now how about this example? There are winners after winners. That's to show you that we don't cherry pick. You'll find 9 wins out of 9 trades. Can it be better than this? We don't think so. Unequivocally, this has to be one of the top 5 trading tools out there. We're confident you'd be happy to trade with Super Trend Finder. However, we don't want you to pay for the tool today. We want you to use it for 30 days free and then decide. In these 30 days, you will have full access to the tool. It's a fair deal, isn't it? Go to www.daytraderstools.com to start your 30 days. Thank you for your time.